Hi everyone! Today I will talk about Payments Overview. First, click Payments from the left sidebar menu. After entering the page, you will be able to view all payment details. Click the small arrow on the left side of the list to expand and view the detailed information of a specific order. Once expanded, you can clearly see the item details, shipping fee, and all related transaction fees for that order. When there are many orders, you can click Expand All or Collapse All at the top right to quickly switch the view. If you want to search more precisely, click the filter icon to open advanced filters. Here, you can group orders by payment method or filter them by specific store or date range. Finally, after setting the conditions, click Apply, and the system will immediately display the filtered results. That's all for today, and have a nice day.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and stay updated with our latest videos, Facebook posts, and important guides on our website.